Yung kay Sasa
Ayan.
naman, it's
Yung sa
different
kanya,
design. Well,
ang
she like
color
that
niyan is
design. It's good on
light
her,
blue, I think.
nail
Um,
though, in her
tawag niyan,
hands. And
after the
I think
manicure,
it sounds like
nagpa-acrylic
cotton,
siya.
like that. Mine is a
But
cat eye,
it's
so
like
yeah, it's
not the
different
same the way
things. They
the,
make some different. It's
but
just like a pencil, but it's
turns so
designed
good
already.
naman. It's so
So
beautiful.
nowadays
So,
it's so high tech. So
well,
yeah, we
just
Sasa
to
got
pamper
a manicure,
ourselves,
and after
kaya
that she
ito,
got a acrylic,
nag-relax
and
muna dito
that's
sa parlor.
perfect for her hair.
Well, after all,
Yeah, it's
finished
so cute.
working,
So
and yeah,
that's finally
pamper
got
ourselves
it.
sometimes, because we deserve that, right? So that looks so good. Yan, ang tawag niyan is acrylic, yung ginagawa niya. I just don't know what call that pencil on, make a design on it. I'm not really familiar with that, but right now it looks so good. So we're almost done here, but in real, that's pretty. That's really pretty color.